Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to link Evony account to Game Center. So let's get started without further ado. First, make sure to launch open Evony game on your device. Once you are done, tap on the three dots located at the bottom right hand corner. In the pop-up, select Settings. Under the Settings option, tap on Accounts. You'll be able to see all of the accounts that you've linked or unlinked Evony with at the top of the screen. Simply tap on the Link Account button from the menu and then tap on Link Game Center option. Before you continue, you must go ahead and turn on the Game Center option on your device. Click Open Settings and search for Game Center. Toggle on the button right next to Game Center and tap on the Continue button. Now, once you've turned on this setting, go back to Evony. It'll then tell you to log in with your Apple ID. Go ahead and enter your Apple ID email in the first text box. Now, enter your password. After entering your Apple passwords, tap on Sign In. Soon after you are done, you'll be able to link Evony to Game Center. Once the process is completed, your Evony game progress should be linked to your Game Center account. You may receive notifications or achievements through Game Center as you play the game. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.